I'm thinking about cutting it and curling it for the new year. And I hope everybody has a good new year. I hope everybody had a good holiday with their family. If you're interested to see how this turned out, stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel of Aspire True Designs. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for tuning back in. So what I do is slick my hair down and lay it as flat as possible. If you're interested to see how I laid it down, I'll leave in the description box below so that you can see that process. But basically, I just tie my hair back and put it in a little bun. I'm gonna put the caps over my head. Okay guys, so I'll be using two products. I'll be using Got2b spray, and then I'll be using this protective shield over my wig cap so that it can help prevent any damages from the glue that I'm gonna put on my hair. So I'll be using both products. I'll be using this mainly for the most of my hair or most of my head, and I'll be using this for the perimeter because I can line it up a little bit better. So yep, I have my brush, my plate to pour the protective shield stuff on the plate, and that's it. So let's get started. Hey guys, so just popping in for a little side note. So I did my hair on New Year's Eve and I was rushing, so I would not advise laying your cap the way I did. I was in a super rush. If you want to see the correct way on how to lay your cap down, I'll leave it in the description box below, but just to let you know, I was in a rush. But if you want to see it done the right way, I'll leave it in the description box below. Hey, so right here I'm just brushing my edges down just so that they can get out of the way. So just brushing them down to make sure I don't get any spray or any extra product on my edges. Please, please, please make sure that your hair is completely dry before moving on to the next step. If your hair is not dry all the way, the tracks will not stick at all, and it's going to be a whole disaster. So just make sure that it's completely dry. Hey y'all, be sure to be very careful with this part. You want to cut the cap one by one. I feel like that's easier. Just cut around the perimeter of your hair. You can see where the glue is, and just don't cut the glue, just cut the cap. And that's basically it. Be sure not to cut your hair, and that's it. Okay, so this part here is not necessary. I just want to get it more straight. So I just used a blow dryer just to straighten out my hair before I flat iron it. So this part is only optional, not mandatory. Okay, so if you guys decide to do this part, just be careful not to get directly on your scalp. You're just doing the hair, not the scalp. So just be very careful with that part. Can you help me cut this? Oh, I'm scared. That's not how you do it. Okay. What you got planned for tonight, Yamika? Nothing. Nothing? Oh, you want to do something?
That's what I'm torn because the weather is just trash. But at the same time, I'm like, I never do anything for New Year.
I was thinking just that.
Samurai sword on my back.
Bit more for a finishing touch. I like to use the spray to get away the little like the small little flyaways that are at the top of your head, just to lay everything down a little bit more smoother. So that's the end of the video. I hope that this helped you out with a super duper quick weave. I hope you guys enjoyed your New Year's. Be safe out there, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.